Right, exciting news. After watching endless of Andrew videos and Dirt Monkey videos and other videos on YouTube of other people doing same kind of work that I do, but what everyone else has is a skid steer, and I don't own a skid steer. And after watching the videos, it looks like skid steers can be a really time saver and make your job a lot easier. So I wanted one for a long time now, all winter, and I've been looking at the newer ones and one with tracks, because maybe tracks can be at good help, because then I don't have to use the tracked mini dumpers to take dirt from behind houses and drive them to the road. Then I can take the dirt I still need to take the dirt from behind the houses, but then I can tip it right into the truck and stuff like that. But tracked skid steers ain't easy to find in Norway, because it looks like no one uses skid steers here, especially up north where I live. So when I found this one on Facebook for 2 days ago, and it was cheap, it's an older model of course, but still, maybe I can still get some years out of it and try a skid steer and see if this is something I can use in my daily work. So I bought it on Facebook, and now we are going to pick it up. It's a 2-hour drive from where I live, so it will take some time to get there. But So here it is. Lights in the back is working, and you're missing one light in the front. See there? And this is my first time driving a Bobcat. I put it on the trailer, but other than that I haven't driven them much, so a little bit strange to work with your feet on the lift and tilt and everything on the bucket, but yeah, I guess I will get used to it. So I will put some new LED lights here, some working light flashers, some warning strobes around, and yeah, probably it will get some LEDs here also. So now I need to stop it like that, and as you can hear, the belt needs some tensioning, so there will be a little bit to do with it, but not that much. I think it starts releasing. Now I need to stop it here because the stop switch is not working, and it's this thing here, but I think tomorrow I will remove these nuts and tilt the cabin back and have a look on everything, so a little bit of get to know the machine stuff, so that will be great. As mentioned, I have almost never seen a skid steer or never driven one or owned one, so